Hey, this is Hans, and this is... And this is... And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Japan!
That's right, this box comes from 5amRamen all the way from Japan. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. So when you get one of these boxes in the mail, you'll get a little thank you card, and it'll say what your ramen rank and your password are. Alright, well, let's look at all the things that are in here. Alright, so first off, we've got a Nissin bowl. This is Menya Ito Ramen, and this one I read on the site has a strong chicken broth. This looks super premium, as everything from 5amRamen is. Everything I've gotten from over there has been absolutely fantastic stuff, so I'm guessing this one will follow suit. And another chicken one. What we got here is some chicken shio ramen, and big bowl, again, super premium. This is from New Touch, and yeah, I'm guessing this is going to be good as well. Shio is a salt ramen, but it's not just like salt and water. They use different types of salt, and usually it's a very nice, kind of a lighter ramen. I don't know. Sometimes the broth is really thick. I'm guessing this is going to be one of those. Alright, this one is from 7-Eleven in Japan. This is Ryu Shanghai Spicy Akayu Miso Ramen. Wow, yeah, the 7-Elevens do a lot of collaborations with different companies. I don't know which one this is. This is just says 7 & I Premium right up here. But yeah, spicy miso, right on. Here's another Nissin variety, and what it says here, this is Tokyobura Soba, and this is the official Obura Soba from the biggest Obura Soba group in Japan, Tokyo Obura Gumi So Suhonten. And yeah, I'm kind of curious about this one, because usually you see something like this with a drain spout, but maybe I'm just missing it. Yeah, there's a drain spout right here. Yeah, so this is going to be a dry variety, and think of yakisoba, but think of yakisoba with big thick noodles and even better, so yeah. And to wrap things up, we've got yet another one from Nissin. This is Nissin Ramen, and it's a mala tantanmen, which basically means it's going to have Szechuan spicy peppercorn in it. I think this one will be either dry or just kind of like a little more saucy than soupy. So yeah, super cool. So in this rad box from 5am, mala tantanmen, Obura Soba, spicy miso, chicken shio, another super fancy one I can't think of the name of at the moment, and a thank you card. Alright, thank you very much to 5amRamen for shooting this over. If you want to get some of this stuff, a box like this, go over to instantramen.jp. These things are always awesome, and I want to unbox them as soon as they get dropped off. I don't even want to do a video. I just want to crack into it and check everything out and start trying things. But you know how I do things. So anyways. Well, this has been...
Mario.
And this has been...
Mimi.
And thank you for watching. And enjoy your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.